Alright guys, bit of a mishmashy video again today. Grandkids sowing the seed potatoes, me getting my main crops out the fridge, sowing some peas, things like that. Alright, and a quick look around the greenhouse, very quick look around the greenhouse.
And some compost. Good boy.
Mum, I want the master.
More compost, Rowan?
I help you then, alright? I love you then, alright?
Right, Rowan, gonna water them. Let Rowan water them, Olivia. I think his shoe got more wet, but there we go.
And I got my body of potatoes.
Go on then. Put the potatoes in the pot. And now you need to cover them with compost. Okay, now you're going to give them a water. What do they need next?
Well guys, here are my main crop potatoes. I'm not chitting them. What I'm doing is just making sure they're okay before I plant them up in a couple of days. They've been in the fridge since very early February. So what we have is our Golden Wonder. So let's put these on the floor as I do it. I know these are Sarpo Mira in a big bag. Yep, Sarpo Mira. Excuse me jumping around like this. Where we are, pink fir apple. Now, this is where we got a bit of a problem, I think, because some of these are a bit squidgy at the bottom, like they've gone a bit rotten in the fridge. But the rest feel okay, and they are Apache. These are the organic ones, and I can't remember the name of them. Where are we? Oh, that was hard work. Gatsby, organic. And these are blooming huge, I tell you. Right, there's a bit of a myth that the ideal seed potato is the size of a chicken's egg. Well, I feel sorry for the poor chicken that laid that one. But they're all like that. Yeah. Like I say, I'm not chitting them. I'm just getting them out the cold. Just to... it's not even acclimatising them, is it really? Just making sure they're okay. God, the size of these. God, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 spuds. Not bad. So what's that, 3 in a bucket? Yeah, 3 buckets, I'll be right. Well, I'll do the rest. Well, there we are then, 5 lots of main crop potatoes. Looks like the Apache fared the worst, because they're sprutting, chitting, growing, whatever. Weird, the rest haven't even, not even a little, you know, nothing whatsoever, nothing at all. This will get you. Look at this. Look, you buy your potatoes, and you're thinking, right, I'm going to get loads of potatoes. They're all the same. So you get some like that, and some like that. Weird, isn't it? Right then, I was watching Nigel, Muddy Boots, his video about peas from start to finish. Bloody good video, well done, Nigel. And it got me thinking about soaking peas or not soaking peas. So what I've done, I've got these Kelvin and Wonder, and I've done the number 59. It's my 59th sowing of any vegetable this year. 59 soak, 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 dry, dry, dry. So I just want to see if there's any sort of difference in the germination rate. If there isn't, then why bother soaking them? Well, we'll see. Let's see what happens. Right, hey, all right, guys. To chit or not to chit? That is the question. I have here some exhibition long parsnip. Now these are from, I must have bought them 2 years ago. Flea beetle, I hate them. God. I bought them, must be 2 years ago, but there was no exhibitions last year, so these are now, in parsnip terms, old seed. Now some people say don't ever use old seed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chit them on a bit of damp tissue. That was me holding the camera up. There we are. Going to chit on a bit of damp tissue in the old Chinese food container, and see what happens. All you're doing when you're chitting them is you're proving that the seed is viable, as in, yes, it's going to grow, or no, it's not. What's the point of putting it in the ground or in your grow pots or whatever if it's not going to grow? It's just wasting your time and theirs. So, I'm going to try and do this nice and neat. There we are, damp the finger, Steve. There we are. So, I think that's better, that works. I never thought of that before, that. Yeah, sticks to your finger straight away. Every day in which you learn something is not a wasted day. The thing I like about this tissue way of doing it is you can just cut the tissue without disturbing the roots and put the whole lot in the ground, in the wherever you're growing it in, so you don't disturb the roots at all. There we are then. So they're going to go on top of the tropical fish tank where it's nice and warm. Okay, then we got tomatoes galore in that Agroland plug trainer there. Some peppers growing in there. This is, I believe, a cucumber seed that was in the compost and I just saved it. Celeriac. Can't remember what these are, so I'll put a little tag somewhere. Potato chit challenge. Sweet green basil. These are mostly Brussels in here, so just poking up now. Brilliant. These are great, these trainers. Only been in 3 days. Cyan basil, cosmos parsley and feverfew in that one there. I know some of these, look. Cucumbers at the back. We got Mini Munch and Masterpiece. There's some more cucumbers growing somewhere. I'll have to let you know what these are in the little tray. I can't remember. They, I believe, are tomato tumbler, and different types of nasturtium in there, which are for companion planting, especially with the beans. Great for taking black fly off the plants. Right, excuse me. Right, here we go. A couple of aubergines, getting a bit tall now, so I'm going to pinch these out tomorrow, so they start growing better from the basil shoots. Chilies, all types of chilies. I'm letting these grow. People say you should pinch them out. We'll let them grow because they're basket ones. And they're going to be, they will grow all year round. I've grown these for 3 or 4 years now. Basket of fire. Can't remember what this one is. Cabbage in there. A couple of cells waiting to be populated. And more chilies. And there's chilies upstairs, and there's chilies in the shed. Chilies everywhere. Right, that'll do for now.